to wash all these fish first, right? Wash it very, very clean. And I'm going to dry them a little bit with napkins. First, soy sauce. And a little bit of sesame oil. Oyster sauce. And I'll add 1 more spoon of sugar. So we're marinating with egg yolk. Mix it. And you mix it again, and we mix it again. I usually like to mix at the sink area, so if it drip right, it's just right drip into the sink, so I can easily wash it. So I can keep my kitchen always clean, right? So you see it, this all like blending now. So give it some time. Okay, great. Okay, now put it here and sit here for now. First of all, we need green onion. So we take the skin out first, right? Make sure you don't cut your finger. Very careful. Okay. I always like to have some garlic for all of my dishes. And this is Chinese dishes traditions. Very healthy. Garlic, it's very good for your health. For every single dishes I do, I shouldn't say every single dishes, but most of the dishes I do, I will have garlic. So make sure you don't cut your finger again, right? So with this one, so I'll put next to the ginger, because later on when we fry, we're gonna put them all together. Gonna add some color to it. Add some color. Carrot. Great. So now we're preparing tofu. This tofu is kind of broken up, which is okay. So I'm just going to cut them into like bigger pieces like this. 3 pieces, and cut 1 more in the middle. Okay. I think a little bit too thick, so I'm going to slice it in the middle. 1, 2, 3. That's it. We're done. So now we have to make sure the wok is clean and make sure it's dry, because we are going to fry the tofu first. And we are going to put oil in. Turn on the fire first. Heat up the wok before you put the oil in. Shake a little bit so we can make sure that the tofu doesn't stick to the wok. There's no need to fry for too long. lid. Okay, so if you don't want the oil blast everywhere, right? So maybe you can try to just cover it so it won't blast everywhere. About a minute or so. Open it again. So, cover again. It's ready. Okay. What we do, I'm going to get rid of some oil. So first of all, I'm putting in ginger and garlic. And now what I do, I'm putting in everything back in. And make sure you move slowly so you don't break the tofu, right? And for fish dishes, remember, you want to add wine, cooking wine. All the green onion. So we'll just cover it for 30 seconds and this dish will be done. Let's try it, let's taste it, let's see how. It's good. Look at this, the fish, it's ready, it's cooked. So I would like to dip some of the sauce. That's really good. I like it. It's very easy to make. I hope you enjoy this. You can subscribe my channel and to view more videos. Thank you.